In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Countif formula in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple but powerful way to count how many times a specific value appears in a range. You will see the result immediately, and it is a great formula to use for quick summaries and filtered reporting. First, click cell B11 where you want your filtered result count to display. This is the place where Excel will show the final number. As you click B11, make sure that the cell is highlighted, because Excel will insert the formula into the active cell you select. Next, you will start typing the formula by entering Countif. Type Countif to initiate your conditional counting function. This tells Excel that you want it to count entries based on a condition. Keep an eye on the formula bar as you type, because Excel will often show helpful prompts while you build the formula. After you have typed Countif, you will define the range to check. Select cell range A2, A10 to define your target lookup evaluation column. This step matters because Countif will scan only within the specific cells you choose. Using A2, A10 also ensures you do not accidentally count unrelated data that is outside your intended list. Now that the range is selected, you need to separate it from the search target. Type a comma to separate your range from your search target. This comma is required for correct syntax. Without it, Excel will not know where the range ends and where the condition begins. Once the comma is in place, you will tell Excel what value to look for. Type north, including the quotation marks to specify your exact matching keyword. Finally, run the calculation. Press Enter on your keyboard to instantly run the criteria matching calculation. When you do, Excel will compute how many cells in A2, A10 match the condition for north and display that total in cell B11. To recap in a simple way, you selected the cell where you want the result. You started the Countif function. You chose the range to evaluate. You separated the range from the criteria with a comma. You entered the exact value to search for inside quotation marks. And you closed the formula with a parenthesis. Then you pressed Enter, and Excel did the counting for you right away. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.